The world's a little upside down right now. We find ourselves searching for some sort of comfort while we navigate the landscape of our new normal. Perhaps, like me, your sleep is all messed up. Or maybe you're having trouble working or studying, or maybe you're plugging along just doing your best to find your mojo again. Well, through all of this, there's been one thing that has helped me find consistency in each day, and that thing is cleaning. So in this video, I wanted to share 6 things that I've learned about cleaning during isolation. Admittedly, I spent a long time cleaning for the adulation of others. And the funny thing about cleaning is you can spend the whole day doing it, and when you're done, no one will say a word. But if you don't do it, everyone talks about how dirty the house is. So now, quite like when I exercise, I clean for myself. I clean to my standards, and I feel good about what I've accomplished when I'm done. This one was really tough for me because I hate doing my laundry. I hate folding clothes. I hate hanging things up. I hate that I forget about my laundry so easily that it sits in the washing machine until it inevitably ends up smelling worse than when it started. But the thing is this, laundry needs constant attention, and a pile of laundry on a chair or on the floor in the corner can make the whole room look unclean. So to avoid this, I now do my laundry each and every day. That doesn't necessarily mean I run through the washing machine every day, but it does mean that I take the time to go through all of my clothing and either hang it up or put it in the hamper until I'm ready to run a load through. This makes getting dressed each day so much easier, because instead of rummaging through laundry piles trying to find something to wear, I can now just go to my closet and see everything in one place. It's pretty amazing how important the topic of cleaning has become over the past few months. Now more than ever, cleaning is important. Cleaning is cool. That's why I've taken the steps to make cleaning the kitchen each day as natural as brushing my teeth or taking a shower. I find when cleaning is prioritized, it ends up being less of a hassle and more of an important job that I do each day. I don't whine because I have to take a shower or brush my teeth, because those things are important, and I do them regardless of whether I've written them down in my calendar or not. Well, after 8 weeks of cleaning the kitchen each and every day, I think I finally managed to make cleaning an important and fulfilling part of my day. Have you ever noticed that if you clean 99% of a room, most people will walk in and just notice the 1% that's not clean? It often comes down to doing the little things. And sometimes the little things are what make the larger jobs seem all that much more impressive. Or the job itself can be very small and insignificant. But let me tell you, 1 minute of vacuuming the chairs makes a huge difference. I remember many years ago when we were putting a video together about making your bed, we came across a book from a retired Navy admiral named William McRaven, and his book, fittingly called Make Your Bed. In the book, he talks about the importance of making your bed for many reasons, but the one that stuck out to me was this. When you wake up and the first job that you do is make your bed, no matter what happens for the rest of the day, no matter what else you accomplish that day, you can at least know that you started your day by successfully making your bed. Longtime viewers of Clean My Space may have seen me dance in a video before. I have no shame about that, but there's good reason for my dancing. Long before I was good at cleaning, and long before I got any sort of fulfillment out of cleaning, I did know the importance of having fun while cleaning. I listen to music, I sing, I dance, and I always find time to take a break to be silly. While cleaning has become very important of late, that's not to say that cleaning can't also be fun. So there you go. There's a few of the things that I've learned about my cleaning game over the past few months, and now it's your turn. What have you learned about cleaning, decluttering, or organizing your home during this time? Let us know in the comments down below. The Clean My Space Nation is all about sharing and supporting one another, especially through these difficult times. So remember, sharing your experience could really help someone else out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are all staying safe and sane during this difficult time. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the Clean My Space YouTube channel for more fun cleaning videos. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.